What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing an Edge Insight CTS2 monitor on my 2010 Duramax. Pretty excited about this product. It monitors a lot of stuff. I'm pretty excited to see what's going on. I'm also a little bit nervous seeing how my truck has 184,000 miles on it. It's still factory, it's never been deleted, so a little bit nervous to see what's actually going on. First off, you want to use your alcohol pad. Just clean off your window. Want to get it nice and clean for this suction cup to work. Next, guys, you got two little ports in the back. You just gonna pull the sticker off right now. Just slide it in there. It is pretty tight, so you want that on there pretty good. And then next we'll hook up the wires. Next, guys, you're gonna plug in the HDMI port. It goes right here. Nice and simple. And then next, there's a clamp right here. When it's all the way forward towards your glass, it's actually suction tight. So we're just gonna pull this wire here so we got a nice clean install. Mount this up and put it on there. Check to see if this is nice sturdy. And then that looks good. Turn this over. The easy way for me to run that cable is I actually there's a little plastic piece on this. I took this off, it's a 9/32. It just pops right out. And then I ran the cable through, you can kind of see it up here, right through my screen. Ran all the way down through here. It pops out right down here below. And actually in doing this, it's kind of cool. I found this is actually a port to a EGT probe that I actually have in my driver's side manifold. So we're going to hook that up and see if that actually works. Then we're going to plug it into right here. Just like so. Make sure you hide your wiring. You don't want to kick that when you're driving down the road. Next, guys, just hit yes on the warning. Okay, and select whatever vehicle you have. I have a GM. And make sure your ignition is in the on or run position. So we're going to turn it on, but we're not going to start it. So once you get it started, the screen looks like this once you roll through all the instruction screens. So I guess first thing off here is this is all your gauges. It's pretty cool. You can actually change them. Say we don't want to do our intake temperature, we can just click on that. We can hit select new PID. Let's see here, what should we want to do? Let's see if the EGT sensor works that I found on my truck. And then hit exit menu. And I just had the truck running, so that's probably accurate. So I see it climbing, truck is running, so I want to say that thing is working. That's pretty cool. Alright, guys, I'm just going to give you a quick rundown of this. It's actually pretty fun to play with. So if we hit this little triangle down here, it'll bring us up some more options. You can do all kinds of stuff. If you hit layout, you can change the background. You can change it to whatever you want. We're going to keep it kind of simple here, just so we can see it on the video. Oops, did not mean to hit the home button. Okay, we can do diagnostics. I still have all of my my EPA related stuff in there intact, so I could do a manual regen if I would like. Let's check my injector balance rates. A little bit nervous about this. Ooh. They actually seem pretty good. I like that. Sitting in idle, you want to have a plus or minus 4 for your injection rates. So mine actually look really well. Then we got some trouble codes. Let's see if I got any of them. Would you look at that? We got one. Gonna have to get rid of that. Next we can check out, say, performance testing. Got a 0 to 60 mile time, your quarter time, horsepower. Let's check to see what kind of horsepower I got. Oh, probably got to be moving for that. So we'll check some of that stuff out. Maybe we'll do the 0 to 60 time here. We got some data logs that we can check out. I'd have to look into some of this kind of stuff. Go here in settings. We can check to see what we got for our accessories. I don't have any backup cameras with this. It's actually kind of cool. I was looking through this and it shows the curb weight of my vehicle, which is pretty cool. Hey guys, I just took my truck for a drive, just checked out a couple things with this monitor while it was going. This monitor is actually pretty cool. I'll do a post-up follow video on it in about a week or so when I get to learn it a little bit better, find more options on it, see what's going on with my truck. Just want to give a special thanks to Hunter from Injected Motorsports for helping me out getting this monitor. Really excited for that. I'll leave the link to his website in the description for you guys. And if you like this video, make sure you like it and subscribe. Thanks again, guys. Have a good one.